This video I made with artificial intelligence. There are many services to prepare presentation, or you can ask a direct question to Bing or to the chat GPT or whatever. Now it is so easy to get official opinion, but don't expect anything better than official opinion of medical specialist, okay? So my opinion, I'm scientist, my opinion is may coincide or may not coincide, mostly not coincide with the medical professionals. Why? Because my goal is to live much longer than 100 years. So this show me anybody who lives so long. There are some legends, but again, we don't have any proof. But scientifically, I worked on this project. I see that it is possible. Nature gives us examples of animals that live almost without aging. This is in Nate rats, it is some bats and some fish, for example. And even from humans, we see people who don't age. Tom Cruise may be the most famous person that you know him, and he is following the technology to slow down aging for 20 years, and he in his 60s he looks like he's 40. Okay, even some people maybe follow this technology longer, and we have examples of people that are in their 60s, they look like they're 20 or 25. So it is possible, again, guys, it is possible, but my goal is more, is a little bit higher. I'm not only talking about slowdown of aging and extension lifespan. I'm talking about rejuvenation. For rejuvenation, it is much more complicated, but it is, as I said, it is, I believe, possible. But okay, let's go to official opinion of the, you can get is from internet. Again, AI already work better than any physician. I would say it is working better. It is a revolution of artificial intelligence. We are coming to the so-called singularity point when artificial intelligence will be smarter than any human, and all these medical specialists, medical experts cannot compete with artificial intelligence. Okay, then this presentation took me a few minutes actually to prepare. And okay, I just asked, okay, benefits of L-glutamine supplements, and I got this the presentation with pictures and text, and I didn't invest I didn't invest anything in it. But again, my opinion is different. Okay, I expressed my opinion in the previous video. You can watch it. Again, my opinion that that if it is related to the price of the supplements, like glutamate or glutamine. Glutamate, monosodium glutamate, is cheap as dirt. It is common in use. You see how people react to this. It has no health problem. It creates no health problem. Of course, if you will use it in moderate amounts. But it is possible, and it is very cheap. Instead, you can pay much more, and you can get these glutamine supplements or even other more expensive glutamine than glutamine substances. But okay, it works. Both glutamine and both glutamates work for sure, And you can go to this official presentation, and you can see the slides. I will give a reference to the slides. I don't want to read it because you can read it and you will save this your time in it, and so it is really easy. And again, I don't understand. Now people are wasting time to watch some videos from young people who are not experienced in science, and they are just reports about some publications or whatever official opinion. Why to waste this time? You can get this information in a matter of minutes, really, and just ask your questions from ChatGPT or Bing, whatever. So many services now available. Okay, then you can read this supplementation. Little bit overestimated. I would say don't trust it, because people want to sell supplements, and the selling of supplements is very profitable business. So of course they invest money and they sometimes over exaggerate the result of this, and you have to understand chemistry, you have to understand biology to decide and to make own research and to decide will it help you or not. I believe that glutamine supplementation for me personally are not necessary, and actually it's just wasting of money. Why? Because I follow carnivore diet. I'm getting enough of glutamine from food, and extra supplements will help you, will not help me. Okay, that's okay, but okay, whatever. They claim that improved muscle growth. Well, it's actually we are getting from proteins, from meat and fish, etc. If you follow carnivore diet, you have enough of these amino acids. And this official opinion they are talking about 3-5 gram, maybe 10 gram per day. It is nothing. You are getting much more from food. I eat more than 1 kilo of meat per day, so you can calculate it is more than 200 gram of dry protein, and this from this 200 gram, maybe 10 or if even more percent by weight, it is glutamates and glutamine. Okay, this is again this not necessary at all, I believe, but okay, it's up to you. You decide, you try again. I tried to buy it and I didn't find anything cheaper than 30 American dollars per kilo. Okay, and then eventually I gave up after this research. I decided to use monosodium glutarate, which is cheap as dirt, and it improves food, make it delicious, and it works almost the same because they are interchangeable. Glutamine and glutamate, they in our body they work. I mean, as they can go this or that way and easy. Okay, so it is reduced inflammation. You have to understand why, because again you need to produce glutathione, antioxidant, and there are speculations that supplements of L-glutamine will improve production of this antioxidant, and then the inflammation can be reduced. I don't know. It's again, it is well, fact of speculation rather than research. Dosage, okay, then again it is everything is available. Powder is most popular because you need you better take it with some mix of other supplements or other amino acids. Yeah, okay. So decide about the doses. Up to 45 grams of glutamine, no side effects in short time, but maybe long term, maybe it will give some side effects. No, maybe, but again, if you are on carnivore diet, if you consume a lot of protein, well, your diet, with your diet, you will get minimum 15 grams of glutamine, minimum. So glutamate also you'll get. So it's not nothing actually. The supplements will add not much. Exercise performance, it is like recovery from exercise performance will be accelerated because glutamine it is helping to get muscles recover muscles, to produce collagen and not collagen, produce some glycogen, and then it can be helpful. But again, if you follow carnivore diet, not big help. You will not see it. Gut health is important, but I believe that both glutamate and glutamine work almost similar. But as glutamine is much more expensive, then there was research and there were demonstrations that gut health of these epithelium cells are getting better, and then you are not suffering from autoimmune diseases and not suffering from so-called leaky gut syndrome. I was personally suffering from it because I was avoiding food with glutamate, and also I was eating too much of vegetables and fruits, and then it destroyed my health. But then when I follow strict carnivore diet, I am fine. I'm absolutely fine. All this immune diseases, they're gone. Okay, then mental health, again, glutamine and glutamate, they are very important neurotransmitters, very, very important. And then with age, glutamine and glutamate concentration in brain is dropping. So probably, and again, probably we can think why it is dropping. I believe that it can drop because when we are aging, the digestion of proteins drops. It is we don't have enough acidity in the stomach, and this protein gets to colon, and colon this protein rots and produce a lot of toxins. So this is one part of why we are aging, why we are getting this chronic inflammation, etc., and why our brain is suffering because these toxins are getting to our brain. But okay, that's glutamine. Yeah, again, it can help, but again, better to use sodium monosodium glutamate, I believe. Then it works the same. It's actually better for brain, but moderate doses. Okay. Cancer, yeah, it can help. If you get in chemotherapy, these glutamine supplements can help. Yeah, but again, it's better to think why you're getting cancer and avoid it, because cancer cells, they need glucose as food, as a source of energy. Remove all carbohydrates from your diet, and you will be healthy and never get a cancer. Or I mean, I cannot guarantee, but okay, this cancer cell, especially if you not only remove all carbohydrates from your diet, but you will follow the intermittent fasting, then cancer cells will just starve and will die, because they cannot survive in such environment. Only some few types of cancer may use proteins and may use in particular glutamine and glutamate as a source of energy, but it is quite rare. Again, it's big, but be careful. Whatever. Okay, be careful. Weight loss. Okay, weight loss the same, because if you increase your immune system and etc., then you have less fewer toxins, less amount of toxins get into your body, and adipose tissue, it is actually storage for toxins. If you have less toxins coming from food to your body, then you don't need so much adipose tissue. You will lose it. Your body is your body is good. Your body is healthy and smart. Your body is trying to keep you alive, and if you consume a lot of toxins, then you get this adipose tissue. But if you do it right and your guts are protected, and then yeah, it definitely the glutamine supplements and glutamine and glutamate, so monosodium glutamate, also will contribute, in my opinion, to your health and weight loss. Diabetes, the same problem, so it will improve. But yeah, okay, it can work. Okay, conclusion. Okay, some young people, I believe, can use supplements of glutamine for whatever reasons. If it is bodybuilding or recovery from excessive and exhausting physical exercises, why not? Why not? Again, but old people, I believe, don't need it, especially if you follow a carnivore diet. If you have enough of protein, it is more than 2 grams per kilo of your weight of dry protein, then you don't need glutamine. But you can improve your food by adding this monosodium glutamate, which actually work almost the same like glutamine, or in theory at least. In theory it works almost the same. It is very, very helpful. It makes you happier because then some very important neurotransmitters are produced from glutamate. Okay, so it's good. Okay, there are some references. Again, if you use artificial intelligence, you will get any information with references, with something, but mind that this is a feature opinion. And if you think that official medical care is interested to keep you long, to give you opportunity to live longer, it is not so. Okay, our pension fund system will be destroyed if people will live like 200 years and will get retirement in age of 65, 67. Even, you know, in France there are a lot of disturbances, a lot of uprising when just because a government tried to shift the retirement age from 62 to 64. In other European countries it is much already further, 67 normally. Okay, but whatever. It is not for all people. Again, many people don't want to live forever, don't want to, because they consider a life suffering. They are always unhappy. They always they hate work, to do some job which is not creative, etc., etc. But we live through the revolution of artificial intelligence, and also so-called singularity point is coming. Guys, use artificial intelligence. I use it almost every day. I love it, absolutely love it, and I believe that, again, if you want to survive in next years, even not near, not so distant future, use artificial intelligence. And again, but mind that artificial intelligence cannot help you more than to present some state of art, and then it is politically correct, it is compromised, it is not what is necessary for science. Science needs more. Science need more. Science need creative thinking. The science need experiments. Science needs critical mind. So if you don't have it, I don't know. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys. Thank you. So sorry about this advertisement. Thank you again for your time. I hope you enjoyed it. But again, mind that this is official opinion. You can read this presentation. I didn't read it. You can read it from link I provide in the description. Please put likes and press button of the bell to be informed about new videos. I'm in such time that I am sometimes busy and cannot produce more videos, but again, it is for my research mostly, okay, but I share my results with you. And if you will comment or ask question in the comment section, it helps me, it helps to my project. Of course, the rejuvenation is different. It is a little bit different from supplements. It can be done with supplements, but yet again, you have to, it is much more complicated process than just slowing down of aging or just extension of your health span. But okay, but well, try. I share it for free. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Ciao, ciao.